In this video, I'll show you how to set reminders for calls with texts, notifications, and emails. So if you're having a problem where your clients are getting reminders, but you need a reminder to get on your calls, you can actually set yourself reminders also. For example, within a workflow that sends reminders to your clients that are spread out due to wait timers, what you can do is also give yourself a reminder by clicking within the workflow where you would like your reminder to sit. For example, the first one 2 hours before the appointment. Click on the small plus sign to select your options. Then instead of the external communications at the top of this menu, you want to select Send Internal Notification, meaning to you. You can send yourself an email, SMS, or a notification within the mobile app. Whatever you do select, just make sure you change the name of your action at the top so you know where it's going to. Once you have selected what method you would like to be notified by, you can select a title to remind yourself of what this notification is. So this is a 2-hour reminder for call. And then within the note for notification or within the text message or email that you're sending yourself, you can write your own text with custom values to remind yourself of your call. You can then select the redirect page to either contact, conversation, or opportunity. Then come down to the user type. This will be who you want the notification to send to. You can select everyone for all users, the user assigned to the contact, or a particular user. If you're selecting a particular user, you can then click the drop down to select which user you would like it to go to. Hit save once you're done, and then of course save on your workflow again. The other thing I will show you is, for example, if your client gets a reminder 2 hours before, but you would like your reminder to be 30 minutes before your call, you can simply add in an extra wait timer before your notification to yourself. So say here we could add in a wait timer for 30 minutes. And then you would add in your internal notification here after that 30-minute wait timer. It will send the notification to you, and then it's going to go on with the rest of the workflow, waiting 10 minutes before the appointment and sending a 10-minute reminder to the client.